So you woke up bloated again, heavy, puffy, a little uncomfortable, and you're not eaten yet. So what do you all do? Nowadays you just grab your phone and type how to fix my gut. And somewhere in those results, someone promised to fix your gut in 24 hours. I'm Dr. Bibhushan Basnet, an internal medicine board certified physician, and I've been working in the US for the last 10 years. I'm not your longevity guru, but I love to research on things that builds your gut longevity. With that being said, let me be straight with you. You cannot fully fix your gut in one day, but you can start. And the steps which I'm going to tell you to do in the next 24 hours can genuinely change how you feel that tomorrow morning. And if your stomach has felt off lately, understand. Nearly 4 in 10 adults around the world are walking around the exact same problem. Bloating, constipation, a gut that just feels wrong. So here are my 4 steps that actually work. And at the very end of this video, I'll tell you one thing nobody's selling you a detox will ever admit. First, quickly, let us clear up what a gut reset even means. It is not starvation, it's not a crash diet, and it is not some detox tea what an influencer can pitch you. Your gut is just not a tube the food passes through. It's a living system. Trillions of tiny bacteria live inside that gut, and when it's balanced, they quietly help you digest food, calm inflammation, and even stay your mood. But when you keep eating processed food, keep changing your meal timings, sleep badly, and stay stressed, the whole system slowly loses its rhythm. And most people blame this on one single bad meal. That's the problem here. The truth is that this has been building for weeks. Here's the good news. Your gut is built to bounce back. It just needs the right move at the right time. So let me take you through my 4 best tips which has actually helped myself and even a lot of my patients. Step 1, take the pressure off. The first tip is not about adding anything. It's about removing. For today, cut the things that might irritate your gut the most. Fried food, refined sugar, heavy processed snack, alcohol, and that habit you keep on eating throughout the day. Never go empty. Every time you eat one of the foods we talked about earlier, your gut has to fight. And when your gut is fighting every time, it never gets a chance to calm down. So think of step 1 as simply taking off your foot off the gas pedal. You're not punishing your body. You are just giving it one full day without the usual triggers. That alone for many people is enough to feel lighter by the evening or the next day. Trust me on that. Step 2, eat light, warm, and keep it simple. Now that you have stopped the irritation, give your gut some easy work. Warm, cooked, simple. Start the morning with a glass of lukewarm water. You want to add some lemon? Tune water that someone is talking about? If you enjoy it, start it. For your meals, keep it soft and gentle. Good options include a bowl of rice and well-cooked small portions of chicken, oatmeal, or tender-cooked veggies such as zucchini, spinach, and carrots. The goal here is to keep it simple. Give your gut less to do, not more, and drink water steadily throughout the whole day. Here's a mistake that everyone makes. You try to add fibers but never add water. That creates a traffic jam. So keep the food light and keep the water flowing. So the step number 3, feed the good bacteria. This is where you start rebuilding. Your gut needs good bacteria and you can really feed the good bacteria. And they have 2 favorite food. First is fibers. Real fibers from beans, veggies, fruits, and seeds. This is the fuel your friendly bacteria live on. Second, and this one had genuinely surprised researchers, fermented food. In one study, people who added fermented food like curd, kimchi, sauerkraut had a more diverse gut and showed lower signs of inflammation in the body. Add some yogurt, a little bit of kimchi, small things would make a difference. You will not rebuild everything in one day, but you can surely plant the seeds. Step 4, rest it and then move it. This is the last step and is the what almost nobody does. Your gut does most of the cleaning when it is empty, not when it is full. Doctors even have a name for it. The migrating motor complex. Think of this as a housekeeping wave that only switches on between meals, sweeping out the leftover food and bacteria. The moment to snap stops there. So tonight, finish dinner a little easier and leave a long gap till the morning, around 2 hours from 8 in the evening to 8 in the morning. Keep the cleaning crew time to actually work. And one more small thing, take a slow 10-minute walk after dinner. This is not just a smart idea. In a study, it showed that if you walk after meals, that can reduce bloating, gas, and the uneasiness feeling. So rest the gut overnight. You truly cannot fix your gut in 24 hours, folks. If someone promises to completely heal your gut in a single day, they are surely trying to sell you something. They're not healing you. Repair takes time, you know it. When researchers tracked how long the gut needs to rebuild after a major disruption, it took several weeks just to get close to normal, and some helpful bacteria were still missing months later. So what did our 4 steps really do in one day? Something valuable. They stop the damage, they calm the fire, and they give you a real taste of what feeling lighter can be like. Think of the 24 hours as the reset button, not the full repair. And one honest note, if your symptoms are severe, if you have belly pain, blood, or the symptoms just not go away, this is not something to reset at home. That's a reason you gotta see a doctor. Something worse is going on there. So you repeat these 4 steps again and again consistently. Keep your meal timing steady, wake and sleep around the same hours, because your gut runs on a clock and it loves rhythms far more than it loves any superfood. Keep feeding the good bacteria with fibers and fermented food. Keep that gentle overnight rest and keep the after dinner walks. Do not chase for the perfect day to start this. Build a consistent week and then go for a consistent month. This is when the bloating settles, the energy lifts, and your digestion finally starts to feel easy. So here is what I want you to walk away with. Again, the same question. Can you reset your gut in 24 hours? Yes, kind of. But truly fixing your gut is a longer, quieter journey. And that's the good news, because it was never a secret product. It was always in your hands, in your kitchen. One good day helps. 100 good days changes everything. If this has helped, share this with someone who really keeps chasing quick fixes for the gut. And don't forget to subscribe to eHealthyinfo for more clear, science-backed health content. We got you.